Welcome to another tech vid. Today I'll be demonstrating how to set up multi-factor authentication and passkeys in Sophos Central. Currently, multi-factor authentication, or MFA, will either send out a code to you via email or SMS from Sophos Central, or generate a time-based code through an MFA or TOTP app. Alternatively, a passkey allows you to log in to Sophos Central without using a password. It leverages the physical aspect of your computer or mobile device by having the passkey tied to it, along with your authentication mechanism into your device. This could be through Windows Hello, biometrics, or a text password. Passkeys are more secure and resistant to phishing, as there's no code or password to be phished, and physical access to your device is required for it to work. In this tech vid, I'll demonstrate how to enroll and use passkeys on Windows. Then, I'll go over how to configure multi-factor authentication using a mobile device. I'll also show you how to enroll and use a passkey on macOS. Lastly, I'll demonstrate how to use cross-device passkeys so that a mobile device can be used to authenticate into Sophos Central while logging in on a computer. Let's get started. If this is your first time logging in to Sophos Central after an admin has added your account with an administrative role assigned, the login process will look like this. In the email received to set up an account, you'll be redirected to a new window with the following Create Sophos ID screen. Here, enter your email address and click Send Verification Code. Then, enter the code that was sent via email. Complete the CAPTCHA if prompted. Once done, click Verify Code and click Next. Then, define a password. Another code will be sent via email for verification. Once done, the option to set up a passkey or use an authenticator app will be presented. I'll select Passkey. On a Windows device, you'll be prompted to confirm passkey setup by authenticating into Windows. In my case, I've used Fingerprint. You've now successfully configured a passkey on Windows. Next, I'll show you how to set up a multi-factor authentication app for time-based one-time password, or TOTP. Depending on how you've set up passkeys, either on your local OS or using a password manager, you may want to add MFA or multi-factor authentication as a secondary option in the event you need to log in to Sophos Central from other devices. To do this, go to the user icon on the top right and select My Info. Then click Manage MFA. Next, select the plus button and click Authenticator app. A prompt to scan the QR code with the Authenticator app will appear. In my case, I'll be using the Authenticator feature in the Intercept X mobile app. The setup for other Authenticator apps will have similar steps. In the Intercept X app, open the menu from the hamburger button in the top left and select Authenticator. Tap the Add button and then scan the QR code. Once scanned, take note of the code presented. Then, enter the authentication code. Optionally, you can name the specific device. Next, you'll be shown the different authentication methods you've enrolled. You'll see that Windows Hello is set up for passkey and Sophos Test Device is set up for time-based one-time password, or TOTP. This is also indicated by the respective icons associated with each MFA method. Next, I'll show you the setup process for passkey on macOS. In Sophos Central, go to the user icon on the top right and select My Info. Select Manage MFA. You'll be prompted to enter the MFA code using an authenticator you've already set up. Next, press the plus button to add another authentication method. Select Passkey and click Set Up Now. You'll see a pop-up stating that you're creating a passkey. Click Continue. Next, you'll see a prompt to authenticate using the same account that you're logged in as on your macOS device. Once finished, Chrome on Mac is displayed in the list. The passkey is now successfully configured on macOS. Lastly, I'll show you how to set up a cross-device passkey. In Sophos Central, go to the user icon on the top right and select My Info. Select Manage MFA. You'll be prompted to enter the MFA code or use your passkey to authenticate. Next, press the plus button to add another authentication method. select Passkey and click Set Up Now. Then select iPhone, iPad, or Android device. A prompt to scan the QR code with your device will appear. Open the camera app and scan the QR code. You can choose to save the passkey using one of your password managers, but I'll choose Apple's default passwords for ease of use. Once done, you can see this shows up as iCloud Keychain in Sophos Central. Now, when logging in on another device, select Login with Passkey and choose Use Another Device. Click iPhone, iPad, or Android. Now scan the QR code using the mobile device to securely sign in. Note that Bluetooth must be enabled on your mobile device, and it must be within the vicinity of your computer for authentication to succeed. You've successfully configured a cross-device passkey. And that covers how to enroll and use authenticators. I hope this video was useful. Relevant documentation for this tech vid is linked in the description. Go to the Sophos community to engage with Sophos experts and have your questions answered. And visit Sophos TechVids to learn more helpful tips and get the most out of your products. Thanks for watching.